Hi. This is the second video of today. We just wanted to show you the waterfall we found. It's turning out to be a really nice day with a great hike up in the mountains around Pai. The waterfall is probably bigger when it's during rainy season, but also the caves here are kind of amazing, and the kids are already playing around, imagining that we are Stone Age people discovering the caves. You can see it on the video. Or it could. Hi, Isabella. Is this a great place?
Yes.
Yes. I think we could also play pirates here. Right. Yeah, Stone Age people. Hi. I think we have to follow Sophie. She's going to show us something. Oh, how deep does this cave go, Sophie? Oh, take care. Wow. Oh, a brochure from the Stone Age people. Huh. Well, I'll stop this video before we get lost, but perhaps see you later today. Want to say goodbye?
Yeah.